What I would tell somebody if they asked me about my experience at Akshardham, I would say it was a phenomenal one. My name is Nandish Patel from Atlanta, Georgia. This is magnificent what we're doing here. I never thought in a million years that we would be able to do something like this at this scale. I mean, the intricacy, the detail, the magnitude of it. I was not gonna miss this opportunity. I don't know how it's working, but it's working. Like, I haven't seen one sad face out there. I don't know how many hundreds of people are out there, but everyone's happy, everyone's smiling. Hanging out with all these people, just the camaraderie, doing seva with them, you can't beat it. People here are gonna make relationships with random people they have never met, and it's gonna be a forever bonding because things like this bond a lot of people. I think what I did is nothing. There are people here that have given up so much. When I see that, I'm like, I'm doing nothing compared to these people. And when everyone else is on the same page, it just makes things so much easier. You get joy out of doing it. It doesn't matter what walk of life you're in. Everyone here is welcome. Everyone is able to participate, able to give something here.